A Master of Science in Finance is specific to the field of finance, a combination of finance and economics and accounting. You're not learning how to be a better manager, you're actually learning how to utilize your finance skills.
I discovered Pacific Lutheran University's Master of Science in Finance program. It looked like it was a good value, and it also looked like it would take a chance on someone who comes from a non-traditional background.
Most master's programs would usually require me to have some time in between. I think I saw this as an opportunity to help kind of further my career and do that now rather than later.
One of the main benefits of the program is that we admit students without a background in finance, and we will train you to have a successful career regardless of your academic background.
It's a very intense program. It's only 10 months long, and you're going to learn something that takes people a lifetime to learn.
I think PLU is a place that believes in the holistic education of a person. We're not just going to train you how to be a business professional. We're going to teach you how to be an ethical and moral leader. We're going to teach you the importance of sustainability and responsibility within the greater business community and the world, and teaching them what it means to be a global citizen and the weight of that responsibility, not just training for the sake of getting a degree. Because anybody could do that.
One thing that I would love to say to anyone considering applying to PLU, they do invest in you. They do want you to succeed. And coming to PLU was a great decision, and I'd do it all over again.